Hi, it's Nicholas. Today I want to review a new product called Super Affiliate System. It will be launched on September 22nd, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, what is about it is this Super Affiliate System? Let's take a look. It's the sales page first. It is also one you do what is the super affiliate is more than what you want to become. A super affiliate is not an average affiliate. Affiliate marketing is the method is the easy ways you can make money on. You just act as the middleman between the customer and the vendor. When you promote this product, and you will and promote the data. When someone buy this product, and you will get commissions. This is depend on what your marketplace. If you have a click banner, they will some of the vendor will pay you up to 90 no 75% commissions. If you are super affiliate, you will get more sales and you will push up to 90% commissions. This is on click banner and also other marketplace such as click Warrior Plus and JVSU. They are also commonly the vendor will pay you 15% commissions. You don't have to involve any inventory and customer service. This is an easy way to start your making money online by affiliate marketing. So let's take a look. This is very you will introducing the super affiliate secret. You will have a depth videos course will A to C solutions to how to start your complete affiliate marketing. This is also inside the training. You will learn how to learn 25 to $50 how to profit without spending money on traffic and learn the start how to pick a high converted affiliate profiles to promote and to build a large email list and raise and repeat over and over again. This is also if you have been in the internet and make money online and internet marketing niche. This is also a very basic key you will have to do. The first part is to build your list. When you have a huge email list, you can contact over and over. No matter you will have a promotion, and also the most important part is how to keep your relationships with your email subscriber to let them know, like and trust you. When you just when someone like and trust you, you build more authority. No matter what you promote, the possibility you will get a sales. That is a very important. So let's take a look. Let's take a look inside. If you are if you have interest in this product, please stay with me with till the end of the video. I will walk you through everything inside the members area. Also, I have included some exclusive bonus for you. If you exclusive bonus for you, when you click this in the description below, the first link is my bonus page. You will get all my exclusive bonus. So let's take a look what I have some exclusive bonus for you. So this is also my super affiliate. It's all about this is the front end and super affiliate just $17. Yeah. So let's take a look at what I have exclusive bonus for you. Bonus number one: how you can get massive traffic from Instagram. The traffic is the most important thing for any online business. If you have no traffic, that is no matter how your offer is good, this is no one visits your traffic, your offer. This is no sale you can make. So this is the more important I offer to you is how to drive traffic. How you can get massive traffic from Instagram. As you know, Instagram is the second largest social media. They can post, you can make a post from only text, image. You also have Instagram story. You can make a short video. Most of them are more and more marketer to how to make use of this platform. Bonus number two is a little known app you can use for massive viral traffic. This is if any, everyone has mobile. Why make use of mobile app to make more massive viral traffic. Bonus number 3 is a new twist on how to use Quora for traffic. Quora is a website that daily more people will go to this Quora website. They ask and also someone will reply if you have provide variable answer on solutions to their problem. This is also you will possibly to get more sales because they allow you to put your affiliate link or contact or social media something like that. You can has more possibility to build your authority. If you are more possibility, you will have more possibility and authority. They like and trust you. Then you will possibly to make more sales from this platform. Bonus number 4, you will get free no-cost traffic app you can get started with today. This is more free no-cost traffic you can get from your app. Bonus number 5, you will have 2 minutes lookup for generating a consistent flow of buyer traffic from Facebook. Buyer traffic is more valuable from freebie because they already have they have credit card. They are ready to buy something from you. Bonus number 6 is a free course how to generate massive quality traffic consistently through social media. Social media other than Facebook Twitter, there is many social media platforms you can make use of them. This free course would help you how to drive more massive traffic from social media platform. Bonus number 6 is squeeze page breakthrough. As something like you have a landing page, opt-in page, squeeze data, all have a different name, but the main purpose is to build your list. Then how to make your squeeze page more powerful and increase your conversion. This guy will tell you how to do that. Bonus number 6 is 6 figures why you also have if you have a email list and you are new and have no idea how to write your email, this why will give you a quick start. It's over 80 emails why you can get it and use it and copy and paste, but I highly recommend you can customize in your own work to fit your email list. Don't forget you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hits 0. When you press this blue button and purchase the product, you will get all my exclusive bonus inside the Warrior purchase file. When you press this blue button and you will get all my exclusive bonus. On my exclusive bonus page in the description below. The first link is my bonus page. The second link I will have free trainings how to make money online in video training, video course. As further link is my free membership. You will get this for free and give away and get paid for it. It's also very awesome. This is all of them is free to charge. You can grab it. So let's take a look at what's inside in the members area. So let's take a look at this. Is also they have included about 9 videos. They are very short. I can show you. The first video is about affiliate marketing. It's just 1 minute 30 seconds. 35 seconds. The second video is a brief overview of affiliate marketing. The third video 3 is describing the myth. Video 4 is making it simple. Video 5 is what is affiliate marketing. Video 6 is what make a good bonus page. Video 7 is why should you be using a bonus page. Video 8 the super affiliate marketing tactics explodes. Video 9 is what constitutes a super affiliate. It is also included 9 video course to take you through. This is also a very short. You can see it with the minutes, and also this is very easy to digestible. Lastly, you will get the free ebook versions here. This is also where you will get this free version ebook. You will summarize all of this content inside the video. If you are not most you will willing to watch my video, it is more easier for you to digest it. If you want to read reading a book rather than watching, you can grab this ebook inside the members area. So let's lastly take a look what inside in the upsell and their price. So let's take a look at what is inside in the upsell and the price. The upsell, the front end you will get all of this is just $17. There is only two upsell. Upsell number one is email marketing uncover. It's $17. Stop struggling and start learning with over 10 in-depth videos that cover everything you need to know about in the email marketing. Making a profitable email lister, building a relationship with your lister, underground secrets of email marketing, building a list in the shortest possible time, making a full-time living email marketing, WordPress for automated list building, and much more. Option number two is Traffic Masterclass is about mainly on TikTok, $27. Step-by-step training, understand TikTok 7-day case study, traffic stream creation. It is also support team ready to help you much more. It is also one, and you will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit zero. You will get all my exclusive bonus before the countdown timer hit zero. And when you purchase them, inside the press this blue button, and all my exclusive bonus will inside the WordPress. The blue button is affiliate bonus. You will get all my exclusive bonus even if you just purchase the front end product. Thanks for taking time to check out my review and bonus. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I have more products to be reviewed in my channel, and in case I also have some marketing tips as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.